Okay, guys, we're gonna play night number 2 of Friday Nights at Freddy's. We made it through night 1, so we're gonna get through 5 nights, hopefully.
Yeah, let's make it through all of it.
Alright, let's do it. Go, hurry! Second night, boy.
I don't get scared, son.
Okay, so Alex is gonna play. If he dies, then it's his fault. It's like 2 in the morning, so we're pretty much freaked out right now. So, all you can see is our faces. Oh my gosh! All right, here we go again.
Oh, wait. Oh, we get another phone call.
He's calling again.
He's lonely.
Oh snap! What's he gonna say? Like, hey man.
Hello?
Hey.
Hello?
Hi.
Well, if you're hearing this and you made it to day 2, congrats.
Thank you.
I won't talk quite as long this time since Freddy
Yeah,
and his friends tend to become more active as the
Talk
week
too much,
progresses.
man.
It might be a good idea to peek at those cameras while I talk.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Don't do that, man!
Interestingly enough,
I just pooped a little bit.
Come on stage very often.
You might want to check the cameras though.
Active in the dark, though, so
Oh my god, dude!
He's already on the
Oh,
post.
where's he at? He's right there. Come on, dude. It's only like 12 o'clock a.m. and you're already.
There are blind spots in your camera view.
Woo.
Those blind spots have
I'm
to be
sweating.
right outside your doors. So if you can't find something or someone on your camera, be sure to keep the door locked.
Dude, I think it's moving.
You might only have a few
Why is it all dark? Come on, man. Don't do that.
Not that you would be in any danger, of course. I'm not implying that.
Is he right there already? Oh.
Also,
Oh my gosh, he's already there, dude.
From time to time.
Oh, we're gonna die. Why is he already there? He's not supposed to be there. Come on, dude. What's his name? Benny? Benny, we told you to come at like 5:30. You're coming way too early now. Oh, I didn't even hear the
Am I
guy.
killing the power? Am I killing the power?
Yeah, turn it off, dude.
I'm scared. He's right there.
It's only 1 o'clock. We have 80%.
Yeah, but he's
Check
right
the
there.
cameras. He's still there. Check the other
He's
people.
right next to his door.
Oh my gosh, you're right.
He-
Oh! Check there! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
Oh my gosh. Ooh, goosebumps. Okay, now what?
I checked the camera. Just keep checking the camera. Check the other people. Yo, you guys are still there. You guys are good.
What is that? Charlie and
Doo-doo.
no. Is it Doo-doo?
I think it's Doo-doo.
Oh, it is Doo-doo.
Check the other guys. Is he still out there?
I guess. Wait,
No, he's not there anymore. He's not anywhere close.
Should I open it?
Yeah, open it and do the lights. Oh my god!
Oh my gosh, he's still there!
What's he doing there?
What is he doing? Doesn't he have a life?
I don't know, man. It's just chilling.
He's a
Man,
Facebook.
it's night 2 and they're already there. I guess he just wants to
Wait,
hang
is
out.
checking the cameras killing the batteries too?
Yeah. You see the usage bar?
Oh.
I think everything you use. Check it out now.
Yeah, just don't move. Ready?
Yeah.
I'm so scared.
Okay, it's good. You're good. Check the cameras now. Check that one. Oh, okay, it's right there. How about the other dudes? Okay, cool.
They're just chilling. Okay. Here you play, man. I'm scared.
All right, I'm taking over.
Okay.
Oh my
he's
gosh.
coming. He's at the door.
Nah. You will not enter this door because we are trying to survive. We are trying to survive and you're trying to kill us.
Maybe.
What?
Dum. Oh, he's at the door. He's right there.
Yo, brah. I know, you're dumb. You're stupid. You're dumb.
Maybe we should leave the door.
Yeah. 50%. Is that a
But
good?
stay on that other camera. Oh, he's coming. He's at the door.
No, he's not. He's right there.
He's right there.
Shoot, man.
He's at the door.
Ah. Woo. Still there. Oh! Did you just throw something?
No.
Did you?
Maybe.
Okay, don't do that. Don't throw random stuff in the room, man.
Okay.
It's freaking me out. Okay, it's there again. Just chilling there still. They're still good. It's just him. It's just him. Yo, man. If you wanna hang out, just come like next week, because we're trying to beat this game. Oh, it's right there. I know it's there. I know it's there. Okay. Woo!
Knock, knock.
Where's he at? Oh! Who's that?
It's a duck.
Where's Benny? Where's the whoa! Is he still here? Okay, dude, this is getting too intense now. Oh, he's right there. He's right there. Oh! Oh no! Oh, whoa!
Okay, there he is. Where's the kitchen?
Who's that? Is that a guy? No, that's the door. He's right there.
Oh.
Okay, the duck. You see the duck? Duck's right there. Right there.
Oh, that's him. Let's eat. Oh, he's gonna eat. He's hungry.
And there's a guy right there, right?
Yeah, that's the doggy. Benny and Charlie.
Okay, I don't know what to do, man. It's 3 o'clock. Do we have enough power for this?
Okay, wait. It's 3 o'clock. We just gotta calm down. We gotta stop checking everything.
I can't help it, man.
Our day.
Okay, how was your day?
Okay, it's scary. Wait, we
Duck's
can't.
still there.
We're killing the power.
I can't help it. I have to like know where they are.
Oh, 24.
It's right there. 4 a.m. Are we gonna win? I hope we make it through this night. Ah, I hate this.
22%. 22.
As long as there's no one here.
Oh, there's 21, 20.
We can do this.
I know, but you're killing the power. We only got 20%.
I'm checking slowly. I don't know where they are. See,
19%.
if we keep doing this, we don't know where they are in the Chuck E. Cheese's or Freddy's. As long as he stays there and the duck stays there, we're fine.
Okay, don't turn those on. We're at 16%. He's right there.
It's right
He's
there.
chilling. He's
Okay, I'm
chilling.
gonna keep an eye on this guy.
Okay.
I'm gonna turn on the lights every 2 seconds. 1, 2. 1, 2.
We got 13%.
Bruh!
Do we hear them walking if they move or no?
It's right here. Oh shoot.
Oh, you're walking.
We're fine. 5 o'clock, 5 o'clock! One more!
The dog.
The what?
The dog. Okay, we got 10. We went through 17% in hour 4. So we gotta go slow.
Okay.
8. Now we're at 8.
I can't, man.
We're gonna make it. We're gonna make it.
I'm trying, man.
7%.
I hope. Why don't? This is so stupid. Who? I'm trying.
Okay.
Okay. Woo. We gotta open it because
5%. We got 5%. Okay,
it's
good.
not there. Yo, someone's moving. Oh my gosh! 3%! 3%! I'm not doing anything!
Okay.
Should I just not do anything?
Yeah, don't do anything. We just either die or we don't die.
Okay, I'm leaving it. It's stuck here.
2%.
It's oh my god, 1%! Come on, make it! 6 o'clock! 6 o'clock! 6 o'clock! 6 o'clock!
Don't do anything. Don't touch.
I'm not.
Oh, 0%.
You know why we're losing power? It's because this fan is taking everything.
He needs to turn off the fan.
Seriously. Oh god! Oh no! Don't kill us! Yo, yes!
Oh, we made it.
Yes! Oh yes! Yes!
Buddy.
Yes, Freddy's!
Night 3.
Okay. Night 3, bro. You want to do this? I'm already sweating a lot.
Okay. Oh.
Oh my god.
What, man?
Yo, he keeps calling us, man. He needs to like chill out with that.
98%. I didn't even do anything.
Hello. Hey, you're doing great.
Thanks.
Most people don't last this long.
Man, shut up, dude.
I mean,
I don't care what you say.
They usually move on to other things by
What kind of job is this?
I'm not implying that
You might want to check the animals.
That's not what I meant. Anyway,
I didn't even...
Okay, duck's gone already.
Duck's
Oh shoot,
things are
but
getting real tonight.
hey,
Listen, I had an idea. If you happen to get caught
the party room.
and want to avoid getting stuffed into a Freddy suit, try playing dead.
it's right there. Okay.
Go limp.
All right, go back.
There's a chance that maybe they'll think that you're an empty costume instead. Then again, if they think you're an empty costume, they might try to stuff a metal skeleton into you.
Okay, it says that if
Yeah, never mind. Scratch that.
if they catch us, we have to play dead, so they think we're an empty costume. So we gotta practice. Okay,
I'll
ready, go.
leave you to it. See you on the flip side.
Are we good? Are we good?
Are we good? How's that look? Okay, they said that if they are gonna catch us on.
Where's the duck? Don't stop until you find the duck.
He's in the kitchen. Where's the kitchen? Oh my gosh, he's trying to...
Check the lights, check the lights. Okay, this is good. This is not good because this is the duck, and the duck wants to kill us. I don't want it to kill us. Okay, it's right there. It's right there. Right there. Right there. Okay, it's moving. It's moving.
He's moving.
But check the other rooms.
Gosh, where is this guy?
Okay. Okay, power. I hate this game. I hate this game!
Let me know if you see him.
How about the other animals? They're still there. He's in the kitchen, you hear that?
It sounds like a kitchen. Is this the kitchen?
No, it's a restroom.
Oh.
I think he went to pee and then he went to get food. Because his thing says, let's eat. His bib, and now he's getting food.
Where's he at?
Check camera 6 right here. Or camera right there. He's probably in the hallway now. 4A. Oh my gosh! Oh,
He's trying to get you.
He's moving. He's moving. He's right there. He's right there. Close that. He's right there, dude.
Out there?
Yo, that's not cool, man.
What are you doing? He's being weird.
Bruh, I said kill him. We make some roast mechanical duck and eat it.
Okay, yeah. So they said, the guy said that if they catch us, we have to pretend we are dead because then they'll think we're costumes and they won't mess with us.
All right, check the camera though. Okay, check the lights. He's probably here now. He's probably here. Oh gosh. Okay, how about the other?
Dum-dums back.
Yeah, animals. Bet you the bear's gone. Okay, good. Stay there, Mr. Bear. Stay there. He's in the kitchen again. He's in the kitchen. He's probably making some duck. What do you think is cooking? Oh, cooking human bodies. It's right there. Okay, we're good for now.
He's just chilling.
Exit. Exit up. 50%, man. You think we can make it?
I don't know. I just gotta just stay still. Okay.
Oh my gosh. You can't stay still because they're gonna keep coming. You gotta keep moving. You really do. We should check cameras for real though. Check the bears. Oh my dudes!
Okay, we got 2 people on the move.
Alright, check the hole. Oh my god!
Alright, he's there. He's chilling. Where's Mr. Doggy?
It's right there. Okay. So check out for the duck. So I'm guessing the duck only comes on the right side, and the bear only comes on the left side.
Okay, good. Well, the bear hasn't moved. The doggy.
So the duck. Check the lights. There you are, you sneaky son of a shark! Duck.
Where's Doggy?
He's right there. He's in the hallway. 2A, yeah, right there. Standing 2A. There you go. Check the duck. Just keep checking those 2 hallways. Don't worry about anything else.
Oh my gosh, they are surrounding us right
Oh
now.
my shit! Oh my gosh! Okay, duck's close by, and the bunny bear is next. Duck's right there, dude. Check the lights. I know he's right there.
Oh, close that! Close the door!
I'm trying. It's not closing.
Oh no!
It won't close.
I think it's
It
inside!
won't close.
I think it's inside!
It won't close.
Oh my gosh!
Dude! Okay, we're dead. We're dead. We're dead. No matter what we do, we're
Wait,
dead.
nothing's working anymore. Oh, that one's working. What? Why?
Check the camera, maybe? I don't know! Oh, we're dead. I know the duck's there.
What? It wouldn't let me close it! Man, nah!
It's because we didn't pretend we died. Or we're dead.
We gotta start over?
Sneaky duck! Oh my gosh. Alright, guys. This is it for this video.
Oh my gosh!
Let me mute this.
No!
Alright, guys. So this is... We finished night 2. Almost finished night number 3. So... Whew! Stay tuned next time as we complete this game. So,
Give this video a thumbs up if you want us to do another round.
Okay. We'll see you guys at Freddy's. Let's all grab some pizza and go to Freddy's. Okay?
Bye!
Peace!